Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present my chocolate espresso brownies with a Kahlua buttercream frosting. This melt-in-your-mouth low-carb chocolatey treat is so good, you'll never believe it has just under 1.3 grams of net carbs per serving. Let's get started. We'll begin by adding some almond flour to a mixing bowl. Add some baking powder and mix with a whisk to combine and break up any clumping. Pour in 3 large, lightly beaten eggs and mix to combine. Set this aside while we work on our chocolate espresso mix. Now I know most of you probably don't have your own espresso maker, so we'll be using this instant shortcut. Just make 1 serving using the package directions and set it aside. Begin by melting 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter to a saucepot on low heat. Add some heavy cream and stir with a whisk until the butter is melted. Add a sugar substitute equal to 1½ cups of regular sugar and continue to stir until the sugar has dissolved. Turn the heat off and add 5 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder and mix to combine. Add a little salt and 1/4 cup of our pre-made espresso. You can also substitute regular coffee if you prefer. Mix until the coffee is combined into the chocolate. Finally, stir in some vanilla extract. Pour into the egg batter and mix until fully incorporated. Line an 8 by 11 inch baking dish with parchment paper. Pour the batter into the dish. And place in the middle of a preheated 325-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Remove and place on a cooling rack to cool completely. You'll know when it's done when the surface looks dry and a toothpick comes out clean. While our brownies cool, we'll make our frosting. To a large mixing bowl, add 8 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter. Add a powdered sugar substitute equal to 1½ cups of regular sugar and beat with an electric mixer until the butter and sugar are combined and creamed together. Add some heavy cream, a little vanilla extract, and some keto Kahlua. I'll have a link in the description below for that easy to make recipe. Beat a little more to combine and use a spatula for the final mix. Once the brownies have cooled, remove from the dish and cut into 18 squares. Add the brownies to the plate as we prepare to add the frosting. Pipe a nice-sized dollop of frosting to each and enjoy chocolate espresso heaven. There you have it, folks, my chocolate espresso brownies with a Kahlua buttercream frosting. A dessert treat so good your family and friends will never believe it's low carb. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.